Do you want to look sharp without sacrificing comfort? Today we are taking a look at Bruno Marc's casual dress sneakers. These shoes have been making waves lately, and for a good reason. They offer a perfect blend of style and comfort so you can look sharp without sacrificing the all-day wearability. These shoes look sleek. I love the classic design with the modern touch. They have a variety of colors and styles, so you can find the perfect pair to match your personal taste and style. The materials feel high quality and the stitching is definitely solid. But how do they feel? Honestly, like walking on clouds. They are incredibly light and flexible, and the cushioned insole provides excellent support. I've worn them for a full day walking around the city, and my feet didn't feel tired or sore at all, and that is quite a statement for me. What do you say we cover the 3 most common questions that I've found in the comment section? The most common question I see is, are these shoes true to size? I will say, at least for me, they are. They were supplied to me. I've worked with Bruno Marc in the past. They asked me what size I want. I said 10.5, which is my usual size, and they absolutely fit perfectly, like they were made for me. However, if you have a little bit wider feet, sometimes it's a good idea to go up half a size. You can't go wrong with that. Are the shoes durable? Will they hold up over time? So here's my experience so far. I obviously have only had these for about a week or 2, but as I said, I've worked with Bruno Marc in the past, and I'm still wearing the last set of shoes that they sent me. So yeah, they definitely will stand up. I have no doubts about that. Final question that I keep seeing is, can I wear these with a suit? And I think the style answer is absolutely. These shoes are versatile enough to be dressed up or dressed down. They definitely look great with a pair of jeans and a t-shirt, but they could also be dressed up with chinos or even a suit. I'm really not into that whole sneakers with a suit thing myself personally, but I see lots of guys doing it, so I don't see why you can't do that for a modern look. Overall, you cannot go wrong with these sneakers. They are absolutely awesome. As a matter of fact, if you wanted to get yourself a pair, there's probably a link right there on the bottom of the screen. It's normally like right there. If it's not there, it will be both in the comment section as well as the description for the video. Get yourself a pair, can't go wrong with that. While you're looking at the comment section, throw in there a comment. Will you be wearing these with a suit? Or are you like me, you think the sneakers with the suit still kind of looks kind of stupid? I want to hear. Put it in the comments. I'm curious what you're going to say. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow, all those kind of things. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time.